We specialize in designing and manufacturing high-performance grain cleaning, grading, conveying, storage, steel structure, and automation systems for the ethanol, breweries and distilleries processing industry. Most people have heard of ethanol, a cleaner, renewable fuel that helps power vehicles every day. But how is it actually made? Ethanol is a type of alcohol produced from plants rich in starches and sugars, such as corn, sugarcane, sorghum, and other agricultural crops. In the United States, corn is one of the most widely used sources for ethanol production. The process begins when harvested corn arrives at an ethanol production facility. After quality inspection, the corn is ground into a fine meal to expose the starch inside each kernel. Next, the cornmeal is mixed with water to create a slurry known as mash. The mash is carefully heated, and enzymes are added to begin breaking down the starches into sugars. Temperature and pH levels are closely controlled to ensure the process works efficiently. The mash is then cooked to remove unwanted bacteria before being cooled and transferred into large fermentation tanks. During fermentation, additional enzymes convert the complex sugars into simple sugars called dextrose. Yeast is then introduced. As the yeast feeds on the sugars, it produces ethanol and releases carbon dioxide. This fermentation stage typically lasts between 40 and 80 hours. Once complete, the resulting liquid, often called beer, contains around 17 to 18% ethanol. The mixture then moves into distillation columns, where heat is used to separate the ethanol from water and other remaining materials. As the ethanol vapor rises through the columns, it becomes increasingly purified. After multiple stages of distillation and dehydration, the final product reaches nearly 99% purity, making it ready for fuel use. The finished ethanol is stored and transported by rail, truck, or barge to fuel terminals, where it is blended with gasoline. One of the most efficient parts of ethanol production is that very little goes to waste. Remaining grain solids are processed into nutritious livestock feed, while other co-products can be used in renewable energy production. Even the carbon dioxide released during fermentation can be captured for use in beverages and industrial applications. The result is a renewable fuel that supports cleaner combustion, reduces emissions, and helps decrease dependence on fossil fuels. From a simple kernel of corn to a high-performance renewable fuel, that's the journey of ethanol production.